how to make money by selling digital products on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money, or I'm going to take you in a step-by-step tutorial on how you can make money by selling printable journal pages on Etsy. So let's get started by going to etsy.com, then go to the search to see some examples of the product that you will be selling. So here, let's wait for it to load to be able to see the examples of the product that you will be selling on Etsy. So here, let's still wait, it's still loading. And here, do not scroll down because it will interrupt the loading. So here, let's just give it a few seconds. So here, after it's loaded, these are the products I'm talking about. So here we have printable lined journal pages, 10 digital ventures, and it's popular now. Here we have a digital planner, and it's also popular. Another printable bullet journal for $5.10. So I'm going to check that one for example. So here, let's check this one, which is popular, and let's wait for it to load. Here you can see, and the reason I love digital products, guys, more than digital products are better than the physical products, even though they cost less money than the physical products. But the catch in here that is that there are no refunds and no returns. You won't need to ship anything or to talk with the client, or you won't have to deal with any complaints whatsoever, because in the beginning, before you sell, here by scrolling down, I'm going to show you the terms of use. So here, the terms of use, here we need to see the terms of use. Let's scroll down. Terms of use: all designs by are for personal use only and may not be duplicated, shared, copied, or used for commercial. I need to see the where it talks about the refunds and those things, because there are no refunds and no returns. Downloads are not available on the Etsy application. Here I need how it works: will arrive in your email inbox, purchase and reviews. To click down, so I need to see where it talks about, and here it is: embrace instant non-editable digital download PDF file, no physical pages will be shipped to you. So I need to see where it talks about that there is no refunds, no returns, and nothing like that whatsoever. So I think people would understand that just from knowing that it's a digital product. So guys, once the client pays $5, you will just take the $5 straight to your pocket. You won't pay any other fees except the fees of Etsy, obviously, but you won't pay for any other fees. So that's why I like the digital products. There are no problems in digital products. So I'm going to show you how much money this shop is making from this one only product. So let's scroll down to see the name of the shop. Then let's open a new platform which is called EverBee, and let's wait for it to load. And here we will click on try for free or sign up for free. I've already created my account, and here with this platform, if you pay for, or if you upgrade to the paid version, you will be able to see the sales, see everything, or every analytic about the shop or the product on Etsy. So here I'm going to go to the shop analyzer to see how much money this shop is making with this one only product, and see their total sales, just to show you guys that there are a lot of money. There is a lot of money to be made with digital products. So here, let's remove this and let's copy the name of this shop. Here, let's copy the name, pixel, and copy. Take it to the product analyzer, click on search, to see how much money this shop is making from the product, and when did this shop list this product. So here, printable yearly bullet journey, which is the product we are looking at right now. Here you can see, oh, it's not the product. This one costs $17. So the one we are looking at costs $5. So this one here, I need the one for $5. This one costs 4. So we've reached. So this shop has 129 products listed. So let's just see the one in the top, this one here, which was listed 4 months ago. Let's click on this product, but let's go to the end to see the total sales of this shop. So this shop has approximately 2,000 sales in total, and if you can, and the shop's age is 1 year. So in 1 year only, this shop made more than, or approximately 2,000 sales. And if you can see their product, they are always $17, $10, $10, $17. So these people are making a lot of money, or this person are making a lot of money from these digital products. So here, this is the listing age of the product 4 months ago. This is the total reviews. So that means this shop made approximately 34 sales from this one only product. You can multiply that by 17 to see how much money is that. And here you can see these are the reviews per month, which means they are making 8 sales from this one only product each month. And if you can do the math, so here let's open the calculator. It didn't open the calculator. I don't know what this opened, but there is no problem. So here, let's go back. So guys, I think you get the idea of how much money these people are making, and these products are very easy to create. You can just go to canva.com and you'll find a lot of templates that can help you build a product like this. So here, let's just go to Canva and let's show you an example of these templates. Go to the search, type, that's not what I wanted to type. I want to type printable journal pages. So let's go to the search and type that, and you'll be able to see a lot of templates to use to create your own product exactly like this one. So here, let's wait for it to load, and these are the examples of templates that you can use to create your own product. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.